Welcome. Lesson 4 Root Support of the Plant. Fourth Standard Environmental Science 2024-2025 Karnataka State Board Syllabus. You have already learnt about the plant in your previous class. You have also observed different parts of plants. Name the parts of the plants given in this picture. The flower, leaf, stem, roots. This is leaf. Where do the roots of the plant grow? Roots grow underground, deep in the soil. Have you seen the roots of the plant? I have seen them while gardening or pulling up a weed. Which plant's root have you seen? I might have noticed the roots of carrot, radish, they are roots, grass while pulling weeds, and saplings when transplanting them. What is the color of the root? Roots are usually white, pale brown, or yellowish, but some like beetroot, carrot, or some in purple, red, and orange too. Do it yourself. Take two coconut shells or small tin boxes. Fill both of them with soil. Put some ragi or paddy grains in one shell. Don't put anything in the other shell. Sprinkle some water on both of the shells daily. The ragi or paddy grains germinate within a week after seedlings grow bigger. Invert both of the shells. Observe the soil of both of the shells. Write two of your observations here. Two observations. Roots in the seeded shell. In the shell where we planted ragi or paddy, you will see tiny roots holding the soil together when it's inverted. These roots will look like fine threads spreading through the soil. Loose soil in empty shell. In the shell without any seeds, the soil will fall apart easily when turned upside down because these are no roots to hold it in place. Roots blind the soil particles together like a web. This supports the plant to stand straight on the ground. Do it yourself. Take some horse gram sheets or sow them in the garden of your school or house. Saplings sprout after a few days. Pull out two such plants gently without damaging roots. Cut the roots of one plant. Let the other plant be as it is. Take two pots having wide mouths. Make a hole at the bottom of the pot so that the excess water can be drained out. Fill both of the pots with soil and place one plant in each pot. Keep them in the sunlight and pour sufficient water daily. After 2 3 days, observe changes in the plants. Write two of your observations. Two observations. Healthy plant with roots. The plant with roots stays green and upright. It absorbs water well and continues to grow normally. Plant without roots. The plant begins to wilt or droop. Leaves may turn yellow or dry because it can't absorb water or nutrients. This simple activity shows just how important roots are, not just for holding the plant in place, but for its very survival. Do it yourself. Take a glass bottle or tumbler, fill it with water, add 1 or 2 drops of red ink or any other color. Pull out balsam plant from the soil gently without damaging its roots. Wash the roots of the plant and put the plant in colored water. Keep it in the sunlight. Observe the plant in the next day. What did you observe? What is the reason for it? Observation. The veins in the stem and the leaves of the balsam plant appear red or pink the next day. Reason. This happens because of process called capillary action and transpiration. The plant absorbs the colored water through its roots. The water moves upward through tiny tubes in the stem called xylem. As the water evaporates from the leaves, transpiration, it pulls more colored water up, leaving a trail of the color in the veins. Know this. The roots absorb water and nutrients essential for the plants from the soil. Water and nutrients reach the stem and leaves through the roots. The root is the support of the plant. Root web conserves soil particles and water. Roots fix the plants firmly to the soil. Roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil and supply them to the other parts of the plants. Radish, diacon, carrot, beetroot, sweet potato. Name the vegetables given in the above pictures. Do you use them in your house? Why? From which part of the plant do you get them? Yes, many homes use these vegetables because they are nutritious and rich in vitamins. They can be cooked in curries, salads, soups, pickles, and even snacks. Some are naturally sweet or crunchy, which makes them fun to eat. All these vegetables come from roots of the plants. That's why they grow underground. Write the names of four roots that you use. Also write down why you use them. One is written for you. Example, ashwagandha medicine. First one, ginger, used in cooking and medicine, helps digestion. Two, turmeric, adds flavor and color to food, used as an antiseptic. Third one, carrot, eaten raw or cooked, good for eyesight and health. Fourth one, beetroot, used in salads and juice, rich in iron and vitamins. Do you know this? There is a record that a farmer in Britain grew a carrot as long as 19 feet in the year 2007. The roots of a plant gross family is 600 km. This is the distance from Bengaluru to Kalaburgi. There are records that the banyan tree spreads over more than 5 acres with the help of its crop roots. For example, the big banyan tree in Bengaluru. Some plants, apo plants, grow on trees. The roots of these plants are green and open to air. They absorb the moisture from the air. The roots of some plants, which grow in the places of scanty rainfall, have the capacity to store water and provide to the plants when they need. Certain tribal people use the water from the roots to drink. There is a record of roots which store about 70 kg of water. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and save the playlist. Thank you very much.